Hello and welcome to Conversations with Jolene. I am so excited to share with you today a little bit about food as medicine and my aha moment. So I'll never forget this. I was sitting in a health and wellness seminar and there was a gentleman there named Don Tolman. So he's known as the whole food medicine man. You can look him up and I really encourage you to do that. Anyway, Don was out the front and he was talking about nature and how connected we are with nature. And he said something to all of us which just resonated with me so much. And it was this moment where I thought, this is what I should be teaching. This should be taught in schools. Everybody needs to understand this. And that was called the Doctrine of Signatures. You may know it as the Law of Similars or God's Pharmacy. But basically what it is that every whole food has a pattern that resembles a body or organ or physiological function, and that pattern acts as a sign or a signal as to the benefit of the food. For example, if you had a look at, say, carrots. So have a look at the carrot and it looks like the eye. So you can see the iris there. Amazing food for the eyes. Check out the avocado. So an avocado takes 9 months to grow and it looks like a baby in a womb. So look at that photo there of the baby in the womb. And isn't it interesting that it's got this 9-month time frame to grow, just like a pregnant woman? And so avocado is one of the best foods that a pregnant woman can eat. And then also it's one of the first foods to give your babies, full of omega fats, absolutely amazing, a nutritional powerhouse. Then we've got the walnut. So the walnut is very much shaped like the brain. So check it out. It's got that hard outer layer, and then inside the brain, you've got the left and right hemispheres there. So all nuts and seeds are brain food, and science has proven that. Then we've got the celery here. So celery is food for the bones. Looks like a bone, snaps like a bone. What else have we got? So we've got the tomato. So 4 chambers like the heart. So tomatoes, beautiful food for the heart. Kidney beans. So kidney beans are really good for blood pressure. And, look at the name, kidney. Perfectly supports the kidney. Rhubarb, that's another food that looks like the bones, for the bones. And there's a few other ones here on this slide here. So citrus fruits looks just like the mammary glands of the female and actually assists the health of the breast and the movement of the lymph in and out of the breast. And we know that all these yellow citrusy type foods are really good for the immune system as well. Brain floats in. So Hippocrates is a man who was considered the father of modern medicine. So over 2,500 years ago, Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." So if you ever study nutrition, any of the health sciences, even doctors learn about Hippocrates and food being thy. So here I wanted to talk about eating a rainbow. So you've got 7 colours of the rainbow. You've got 7 primary colours of all the different fruits and vegetables. And then those different colours also support the 7 different chakra systems as well. So there's a lot of foods that you can use to support your different chakras. So say, for example, you were feeling some problems in the root chakra, perhaps not going to the toilet properly, you're a little bit emotional, you've got some lower back pain. There is actually foods you can eat that are going to support that. So we've got beets, parsnips, pomegranates, apples, and then just focusing on getting lots of plant-based protein. So throat chakra here. Now this is really interesting. So if you had a sore throat, you could try some blueberries, raspberries, figs, and kelp. So lots of different foods you can use to support yourself. So again, here's another slide on all the different colours of food and what the health benefits are of eating those foods. So really, when it comes to fruit and veggies, we want to be aiming to eat about 2 cups of vegetables a day and 2 to 5 serves of fruit. So it's actually a lot more than you think. So we really need to be, you know, getting fruits and veggies into us. Require a little bit of effort and a little bit of preparation, but if you just do a little bit of planning before you go shopping, and just buy what's in season, you should have no problem getting all those colours of the rainbow. So the food you eat can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. So sadly, in Australia and all over the world actually at the moment, we do have a really major disease epidemic going on. And I believe a lot of it is due to the fact that we just eat way too much processed food. There's too much chemicals and preservatives and things in our food. We really do need to get back to nature, and pretty much, all the health practitioners and everyone that's in that field is now saying that we really need to be plant-based. So we want to focus on getting fruits and vegetables into us and into our children every single day. You're going to not only feel better, but you're going to be healthier as well. And look, if you haven't been eating that way, like if you know that your veggie intake could be better, just do it slowly. Just every day, just add another one, add another one, add another one, and within a month or so, you're going to be where you need to be. So look, nature really is very clever, and we've been designed in nature. And if we just tap into nature and how amazing it is, feel so much better. So you really what you eat, and here's hoping that you eat more fruits and veggies and you'll start to feel better. Thanks for listening.